to clean and look after your Phonak hearing aids. This is showing you with the Phonak Audéo hearing aid, and this is using the Cerustop wax trap. With regard to these, obviously keeping on top of your hearing aid is the best thing for you. Okay, we've got to make sure they're nice and clean. The dome on the end here is your first line of defense against any wax or ingress into the hearing aid. There's actually a little nipple over the end with a hole that goes all the way through. If that gets clogged up, then that stops the hearing aid working. So giving that a gentle wipe over with a tissue is usually enough on a day-to-day basis. It's also worth once a month or so getting yourself a little brush which should have been supplied with your hearing aid, and your microphone apertures on the back of the hearing aid. On this particular hearing aid you've got two, one on either side and one on the bottom. Just get your brush and just lightly brushing over just to get any of that dirt and dust off there, okay? And it's as simple as that. But every now and again, if you're finding that your hearing aid has stopped working or the sound has reduced somewhat, it's going to need a bit more of a clean. In that case, we need to remove the dome off the end. So remove the dome off there and place that to one side. If you then look in the end here, okay, you've got your wax trap, which is the little white part in the end there. If you can see the white part, then it's pretty clear, okay? If not, then it's blocked up with wax and it's going to need to be changed. It's a simple process, okay? Cerustops come in packs like this. As you take them out, there is actually instructions on there, kind of step-by-step guide, but obviously it's easier to show you in a video, okay? Just snapping that apart opens it up and you've got 8 new filters in here. Take one of the sticks out and what you'll notice is you've got a new wax trap on the end and there's a spike on the other end. So to change the wax trap, you push that directly into the old one, and then as you pull it out, it pulls the old one out. Spin it round and push your new one in, and that's your wax trap changed, and simply pop your dome on the end. And that's your hearing aid completely serviced.